here's your dive guide for Scuba Radio, Greg the Dive Master.
And welcome. This is the world's first radio show devoted to diving. I am Greg the Dive Master, and I have finally marked something off my bucket list that I've been wanting to do for literally 22 years of doing scuba radio, and that is diving in the Red Sea.
All the diving sites, one assumes the Red Sea is a place to get below. Just one fin kick away. Why we love it on Scuba Radio. All the dive boats will make you smile. They share the same site, but don't you fret. The liveaboard lifestyle. They head back home, you watch the sunset. Diving times without any gripes. Say, we listen to Scuba Radio. Dive like an Egyptian.
I'm here in the Red Sea in Egypt. It's unbelievable. Grand Sea Explorer with Explorer Ventures. Oh my gosh, what we've seen so far in just 2 days of diving. Pretty spectacular stuff.
Sea thresher, sharks, and manta rays. So many critters you can explore. It likely proves diving the Red Sea will give you more. All these cool dives to fill your logbooks. Combined with all the things you do on land. Feel like a pharaoh king. You're diving like an Egyptian. All the kids diving inner space say, we listen to Scuba Radio. Dive like an Egyptian.
Tobias, right? Yes. So you are from Germany as well?
Exactly.
And what do you like seeing here in the Red Sea?
Yeah, most of the time I prefer to see the big stuff. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to these spots where you are able to see oceanic whitetips. And actually a friend of ours who is not with us this week, his name is Eric, shout out.
Shout out Eric.
Yeah.
Hey Eric, you should be on this boat. Tobias here is living large and you're back home being a loser right now, back in Germany, right?
Nah, I don't know. I mean, he's been here 2 weeks.
Our shout-outs are evidently different than yours, Tobias.
Probably, but maybe it depends on the nationality. I don't know. Maybe we are nice.
It's universal.
When you leave, you'll want to come back. Once isn't enough, and that's a fact. It's where the bubbles blow. You'll be a Red Sea diving maniac. Enjoy the sights with no deco stops. Or get more training at the scuba shop. It will enhance your ability to join us in Scuba Talk. All the diving women and the men will all be blown away in the end. The talk on the show. What it feels to dive like an Egyptian. All the divers in the scuba shop say, we listen to Scuba Radio. Dive like an Egyptian. Dive like an Egyptian.
I hope you had a great experience.
There's no doubt. And Amr and the folks from Explorer Ventures are going to be at the Boot Show in Germany. And, of course, Explorer Ventures will be at all the dive shows in the U.S., including the DEMA show. If you want to get a hold of them, explorerventures.com. 1-800-322-3577. Call them. Book the Red Sea. You will thank me 10 times over once you get out here. Just an amazing trip. All right, that'll do it for this week. Till next time, remember, it's always better. Where, gang?
Down where it's wetter.
Safe diving, everyone.